This brand is made in Mexico by Carrier and is available through dealers in the USA and Canada. The brand is backed by a pretty good guarantee, but they use aluminized steel primary heat exchangers which resist corrosion but are not as durable as brands that use stainless steel. The units use hot surface ignition, which is quieter and more reliable than brands that use spark ignition. The N92MSN models are basic 92% AFUE efficient single-stage gas furnaces with constant torque blower motors, but the guarantee on their heat exchanger is not as good as most other brands, while the N96MSN models have a 97% AFUE efficiency and have a lifetime heat exchanger guarantee. The N96VTN models are basic single-stage gas furnaces with a variable speed blower motor for quieter and more efficient operation. The G96VTN models are premium two-stage furnaces with a 96% AFUE efficiency and a variable speed inducer motor, while the G97CMN models are ultimate furnaces with modulating gas valves, variable speed inducer motors, and the ability to communicate with the rest of the home's HVAC system to maximize comfort and efficiency. The premium and ultimate units include no-hassle unit replacement in case of heat exchanger failure within the designated period.